Okay, new bike check here with BMX Andy 1994. Starting up here with some ODI long neck grips. I'm gonna change them to some Shadow Conspiracy ones, so they're a better yellow. Because in person they look too green, but in the camera they look like whatever. So you're not really gonna tell the difference. And I got some primo mustache bars, 26 inches wide, with a Nike 6.0 shoe sticker, so it matches the shoes. Then I got Shadow Conspiracy Strike FL in purple. I'm gonna get it in yellow eventually. Then I also got a sputnic headset. Moving on, I got Shadow Conspiracy Vultus fork. I just got it today. It's really great. It's really light. Looks strong. So far, I got nothing to complain about it. Then I got Animal GLH 2.2 tire with stolen roulette front rim with like the whole rim, hub, spokes, and all that shit. It's the same thing. Then I got Shadow Conspiracy Raptor hub guard with Shadow Conspiracy little ones bag. Then the frame is a Cardinal cantero bike, 21.25. The other one that I got, the other frame I had was 20.5, and this one's kind of like perfect for me. It's like I'm tall, I'm 6'1", so it's good height, good distance. And for those people that complain that it's too short for bunny hop bar spins, like the frame size, don't complain, because I came from a 20.5 and now I got 21. I still could do it on both of them. And moving on, I got brand new Shadow Conspiracy Ravager pedals. These are the PC ones. Then I got a stock forks, stock bottom bracket. Up here I got a Animal Stitch pivital seat with a United seat post and integrated seat clamp, so I don't really need one, like different brand. Then I got an Animal ASM, I believe it's 1.95. Then I got another stolen Roulette Rim with Eastern spokes, Eastern Birectional hub guard, 19th driver. I got on left-hand drive. Then I got a brand new Eastern pop and lock hub guard. Then I got another Shadow Conspiracy little one bag. Then on the other side, I got a Shadow Conspiracy screen sprocket. I had the purple one that's right there, but I changed it to yellow. And then the Eastern KNC drop buster chain. And this is how this bike sounds. Pretty good. Then yeah, the bike weighs like 22, around there, between 22 and 24. It's not more than 24, I know that for sure. Then like from every part I get from this one, like change it. I'm building the other bike, which is this one, which is still not done. I still need a shitload of parts. I got the stolen bars, the stolen cell bars, and the Eastern choker 3 stamp. But when I got the yellow one from that, it's coming to this one. A stolen headset. Then I got some stock forks. Then the Mongoose frame. Everybody gave crap about it, but it was a good frame, so it was just heavy. That's the problem, but it's still good. Then I got a snafu seat, Shadow Conspiracy offer light seat clamp. I still don't got a bottom bracket or the cranks when I get for that one. The other bike, I'm getting them for this one. Then I got a Shadow Conspiracy belter tire. I got it for the back. It's 1.95 also. Then I got a nitrous wheel, which I got from this kid. I got it in a contest from Doofus BMX. His name was Anthony. He did a contest, I won. I put it on. Then I got extra pegs. I got extra wheel. I got this stolen hub, an Eastern rim, and regular spokes. But I can't put it on yet because I don't have the axle. Yeah. Then I got the tube here. I got my Shadow Conspiracy tire. There are my like pedals. And my Shadow Conspiracy screen front, the purple one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, the ODI grips, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything that's orange from here, orange and purple is gonna come back to this one. That was a theme from this one. It was orange and purple. This one's gonna be black and yellow. And don't think about the song. I hate the song. And yeah, that's it. I got a shitload more parts over here, but I don't think I'll use them. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe.